Hey guys! Welcome back to my new Photoshop tutorial. This is Parth from pdartography. This tutorial is about making a firework concept. Here I am going to edit a photo of a couple, but you can edit it for single models also. All the elements used in Thio's tutorial are modified and manipulated by myself. Here I am using the latest version of Photoshop 2019. All the stock images that I will use in this tutorial is free for you guys to download. Just find the link from the description box below. If you enjoy the video and if you find something new, don't forget to hit the like button at the end. A short disclaimer for the one who are new to Photoshop and editing. I would suggest you to slow down the playback speed of this video because I am going to be a bit faster. So without any further ado, let's begin. Begin with size of 8 by 10 inches. Import the city background PNG to the document. Now import the floor PNG right above the city layer. Now import the fog for city PNG and drag the layer below the floor layer. Now import the subject to the document which I have already extracted. In case if you don't know how to cut out the subject from the background, watch my video. I will leave the link in the description box below. Now create a new layer and with a soft paintbrush tool, sample the darkest color from the floor layer and draw some shadows at a very low opacity. Keep the layer on multiply. Make several shadow layers to keep it more convenient and precise. Now to brighten the edges, try some adjustment layers like exposure, brightness and contrast and hue and saturation. And mask out the edges of the model layer or the part on which you want to apply the adjustments. Before that, if you need a reference of light source, then import the sky plus firework PNG that I created. And according to that start adjusting colors and brightness of the every layers. Now import the reflection PNG and keep it on color dodge blending mode. In adding other elements to it, I totally forgot to create highlights to the edges. After that, import the fog for couple PNG and keep it on screen blending mode. Now bring in the light glow PNG to the document, and place it below the fog layer, also on screen blending mode, and mask out the couples roughly. Import the sketchboard, and place it wherever you like it to be. And blur it a bit to make it look out of focus. But before that, save a JPEG of this composition. Now bring that saved JPEG image to the document and place it onto the sketchboard, and blur it the same as the sketchboard. To make it look like it is painted, mask out some parts from the edges. And repeat the same procedure for highlights and shadows as we applied on couples layer. Now merge everything together and apply camera raw filter as per need. According to me, the colors were not looking too good. I like to make it a bit more orangish rather than yellowish. And then, as always, I applied Nik Color Effects Pro and added some filters. This wasn't as easy as it looks like. I tried literally tons of things, and then after 3 hours of work I finally got this result which you see. I just made it easy for you and made some PNGs. And this was my final result that I uploaded on my Instagram account. If you aren't already following me on Instagram, then click the link in the description box below. That's it for today, guys. Goodbye and stay creative. To get notified every time I post a video, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like the video.